In this video, I'll show you how to disable the two-factor authentication in Fortnite. Now, first step, guys, is you're going to go to store.epicgames.com. This is their official website. And once you're in here, you're going to click on the little icon up here and log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, you will be able to hover here and you can press on the account right here. So once you've done this, you will now come to your account settings. Now from in here, you have many different options that you can choose on the left-hand side, but we're going to focus on password and security. So once we go in here, you're going to scroll down a little bit and you will find the two-factor authentication. Now from in here, you have the option to set them up if you wanna, but we're looking to disable it. So as you can see, for my email, I have it enabled and it is my primary. And if I want to disable it, I can click on the three dots right here and simply press on remove method. Now once this is done, my two-factor authentication for email will be disabled completely, and that's basically how you can do it. It's super simple, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.